All right, so you're looking at Shellysha McCarthy, who rides to work about 4 miles every single day. Well, it says, I think it's one way she rides to work. So, I mean, when I say one way, 4 miles one way, then she has to ride 4 miles back home. Why she does it, we don't know, but here she comes. And we will find out in just a little while. Take your time, take your time, take your time. Ah, fantastic. You can come off this. There you go. And I'll just pull it right here for you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. Come beside me. Every day?
Yes, Monday to Fridays.
Why? When did it start, by the way?
Actually, almost 3 months.
Why?
It's a funny story. All right. One evening I was coming home, rain was falling, so I was supposed to stop at 8 a.m. I couldn't stop. So I head home. The next morning I didn't have any fear. So I said, okay then, how am I going to get to work now? Then I remember I have a bicycle.
So you normally ride the bicycle before you started going to work?
Yeah, man, ride it, not on a regular basis, but yeah.
What, just for fun, exercise?
Exercise, yeah, exercise.
How long you been riding overall?
14 years, when I'm 14 years old.
14 years old?
Yes.
Wow. What was the very first reaction you can remember from someone on the road seeing you? Are you riding your skirts and high heels and stuff?
Actually, when I just started, I used to wear tights and my work top, but certain comments when I'm in the tights, so I decided to just starting to wear my fully attire.
So you don't get those same comments anymore?
Yes, but with grace, you know.
With grace. I suspect you can't tell us some of the comments, but tell me some of the comments that can be shared. Because I suspect you get some good ones too.
Definitely. Well, my princess, I look good on a bicycle, or things like that, or I'm a trendsetter, or you look good, you look good.
Yeah?
Can I get your number? I remember one incident, a man practically drove me down to get my number.
You never gave me.
No.
Well, what was the response to your co-workers when they realized that you were riding?
Easy, it's not easy. My boss didn't encourage it though, because he was like, worried for my safety.
Yeah. What about you? Because bad drivers, pothole, rain. What about you? What was the worst thing that ever happened to you?
The worst thing? All right. You have some motorists that is accommodating, like 78%, but the lesser ratio is not that accommodating. Because I remember I encountered a gentleman driving and practically stopped in front of me, and there's no traffic in front of him, no obstacle there was. So I was like, seriously? Really?
So why you stopped?
I guess he's trying to tell me that I'm not supposed to be on the road.
But what about when you get to work? Because sometimes the morning are really, really hot, sweat up and stuff when you get to work.
I'm not going to lie, in the mornings it's tedious and there's a lot of traffic, but I know how to maneuver that, to get my way.
Yeah, I said 4 miles, one way.
Yes, one way.
So you're not tired when you reach work? You ride fast or you just take your time?
When I first encounter, like I tried, it was an arduous journey, but eventually it gets easier.
Yeah. When I was preparing for this, it said that you're trying to get a car.
Yes.
So we don't just stay upon this and done the argument.
Of course,
it's cheaper.
Trust me, I'm going to stay on this, but I can't ride to the country. I don't think I want to. Or if I want to travel at night.
Yeah. So the farthest you would have ridden would be from home to work.
To the supermarket if I want food in Alpha Tree.
The farthest
I will go to is Shellysha. I was at home now. And I want to go to the beach. And a friend of mine was supposed to take me, and him could come. So I said, okay, I can reach her on my own.
How long it took you?
I didn't check.
What, half hour, 2 hours?
About 35 minutes.
Oh, why you don't ride in flat shoes? It's not easier?
Not really. I realize I'm not comfortable being in flat shoes. I don't really own flat shoes though.
No, I understand for work and stuff, but for riding it would be more comfortable.
No, it's not more comfortable.
What you think, God?
I prefer to ride in my heels.
What you think, God?
No, I don't think I'm hot, I know I'm blessed, and I know I got it like that.
Well, there you go. As better she said, Dalby. It is great to meet you.
It was a pleasure.
It's a fantastic story, and I hope you stay safe. And for those who are watching, yeah, you're a little easy on the road. By the way, you ever get splashed?
Of course I have.
Going to or coming from?
No, not going, coming from work. So when I realize when I'm heading home, rain seems to always come crashing down. So I'm not going to stop. So I'd rather get wet and continue my journey. When I reach home, I'll sort it myself.
Well, there you go. All right. Well, time for you to go to work. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Right off into the, well, I was going to say the sunset, but it's still morning, so right off into the sunshine.
Right off to the sunshine.
Shellysha McCarthy, who works at G.W. Christie
Engineers.
Limited.
It's a
Great
construction company.
Great to meet you. Off you
Pleasure.
go. There she is. Let's watch as she goes to work.
I maneuver.
There you go. All right, folks, we're going to take a break, and then we'll come back in just a little while. Stay with us. Soon come. We'll never bicycle. All right, man.